Today's video is brought to you by Rakuten. If you like organizing,
wow, seriously, this is amazing!
Get prepared for a before and after, plus some of my favorite new deals for 2025. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today we're doing a complete space makeover and we're doing it on a super affordable budget. Hold up, maybe you've been sleeping on Walmart or just assumed Amazon was better and you didn't want to bother with it, but Walmart has same or next day delivery now and their product selection is incredible. Walmart rolled out brand new product lines in 2025. I want to show you some examples of quality pieces. I'm in Walmart right now, and this is a West Elm dupe. This is a swivel chair. It is $248. We also have the similar Drew Barrymore version at our house. This is an awesome score. The West Elm version is almost $700, and I can barely tell the difference between that and the Walmart version. The 4.8 star review is accurate. This Walmart chair is $59.50. It is a $269 Birch Lane dupe. It's literally almost identical. These chairs are lovely, would be great on a patio or at a kitchen table. Let me know, can you tell the difference? I really can't. And you're looking at a 75% savings. Here's another $500 West Elm dupe. These bar stools that are a faux leather are just $64. This is the Better Homes and Gardens line. Tons of deals in today's video. This is a 90% savings, and the Walmart version has almost 5 stars. My jaw was on the floor. What you may not know is Drew Barrymore has a line at Walmart, and so does My Texas Home. And these styles really remind me of Crate and Barrel and Pottery Barn, specifically the pillows. The pillows here are awesome. There's some really high-end versions. Most of them are under $20, some of them just 10 bucks. The deals are fabulous. Their organizing products have stepped it up as well as their home decor, and it's actually affordable. Now, here's the thing. I went in store because I wanted to show you some of the items that they had available. Y'all, these are high-end dupes. Like West Elm's Oliver sofa, you can find a similar version at Walmart for less than $500, and they all have great reviews. Their rugs are some of their hero products too. I really love this medallion tassel area rug. It's almost $500, but here's the thing. Walmart, the Better Homes and Gardens line, has an equally quality, in my opinion, rug that literally costs $39, and they have a smaller size that's $29. This $149 vintage style runner. Y'all, Walmart has a similar rug for $19.97. I was so impressed with all of these in store, and I love how affordable everything is. You've probably seen by now washable rugs. This one is $350 from West Elm, and they have a similar style that is also washable for 20 bucks. And if you're thinking to yourself, Kathryn, my Walmart does not have any of these things, that is why this is cool, is because their online interface is so much better now. You can search by new home decor. This is the Drew Barrymore collection. So if you don't have these items in store, you can easily find them online. And in most cases, get them same or next day. Plus, I prefer to shop online because Walmart is on Rakuten, so I'm gonna get cash back for all my purchases. I've used Rakuten for about a decade and saved thousands on shopping I was doing anyway. You can download the app, it is totally free, or install the extension on your browser. Again, it's free. Select the store that you wanna shop, and they have over 3,500 retailers. Macy's, Sephora, Walmart, Kohl's, they have coupons and promo codes. Just select the store you're looking to shop and it will take you to their website, and you'll be earning cash back on your purchase. And be sure to take advantage right now because of all of the President's Day sales. Rakuten is running triple cash back on tons of stores, plus for totally free. If you click the link in my description, you get a $30 welcome bonus with your first qualifying purchase. So if you've never used Rakuten before, I highly recommend it. I always use this when I'm shopping at Walmart. It saves a lot. And the recipient of today's makeover is my friend, Julie. I'm gonna use some of Walmart's new high-end finds to make over her mudroom.
Welcome to Julie's Mudroom. This is my friend, Julie. This ends up being a drop zone for absolutely everything. It ends up collecting all the clutter. This is where things go to die. Kids' papers, we've got grocery bags, reusable grocery bags that should be in my car, and they're laying in here. We have sporting equipment, we've got our pickleball and tennis stuff. I mean, you name it. This is, the rest of our house looks great, and then this is where we kind of just throw it all in and, you know, trip over everything trying to get to whatever is in here that we need.
The budget, under $200 to completely make over this mudroom so it would actually work for her family. My mind went immediately to beautiful systems and things that I could use on a budget to make this space awesome. But before that, we had to address the truth, which is that nothing is going to work in the space until she gets rid of what doesn't.
Okay. So we're going to start off with the power move of the trash bag. And we're going to do, okay, I love it. Immediate trash, because this is going to give us a clear big win. Like all the stuff that you see that you're looking, you're like, oh, that can go, that can go. This is trash. If you see things that could be donated, we're just going to set this in the basket right outside and like touch it once if you can. Like you pick it up and you're like, donation, and don't think about it again.
Okay. All right.
Let's start there.
Let's do it.
Yes. The bags of bags. You know what? These
I feel bad.
I'm gonna breathe, you know? No, don't feel bad. Everybody keeps this. Didn't
We
work.
don't use it.
System didn't work. We can let it go.
More old shoe boxes.
She's ready.
I think that's a good concert hat. I won't lie. We have a Thor hammer. Sorry.
Bye, Thor.
Okay.
Sorry, Thor.
Oh, these are actually new glasses, and I was wondering where they were.
The things you find as you start to declutter. That's like the gift of it, honestly, because people are like, I'm losing things when I declutter. I found the opposite to be true. Most people find things when they start decluttering. They actually gain things that they didn't know that they had.
Oh, there's my slippers. Oh my gosh.
We're starting to see progress.
There's quarters in here.
Oh, yeah.
Did I know there were quarters in here? No, I did not.
I want to know if you feel this too. The one thing I noticed about Julie is she had bags, like lots and lots and lots of bags.
Yes. Letting go of this one.
Yes.
Let go?
Yep.
Nice. Let go?
Yep. That one kind of has meaning, but let's let it go.
The idea being that if she kept these bags, she would have a place to store the things that she loved. But really, the bags themselves were clutter. And if you had a bad organizing system, you know what? It is okay to donate that too.
So that was sweep number 1, and that was good.
The next place we had to address in the mudroom was this hutch. Now, this was an inherited hutch that her mom had given her, and she put it into the mudroom. It's a very beautiful piece, but this just became a catch-all. She needs school supplies for her kids. She is a busy mom, she volunteers, she's a small business owner, and this space was not working for her. I wanted to give her a system that could actually function for her family, and one that didn't require a lot of time. But the first thing we had to do was sort and get rid of what she wasn't using. Being honest about the season of life she was in, this required letting go of a lot of old projects and just being really realistic. I feel like if you get realistic, you can uncover a space that you love.
Clear space for new creativity.
Yes, that can all go.
Okay.
I think it's just time.
I took 10 minutes and I sorted all the school supplies to find the brand new ones. These are the things that the kids could use this coming year. These shouldn't go to waste. And we were pretty ruthless about the things that had already been used. If you can't get to it, why are you keeping it?
The whole thing.
Just stop
the
it.
whole kit and caboodle. Goodbye.
Bye.
Little decisions, forget about it. Yet another bag. That's 2 trash bags of stuff, Julie.
So now we have some larger items, and this is the thing. Once the excess is removed, we can come up with a storage system. So for all those items you're holding on to just in case, forget in case and focus on you right now. What is it that would make you the happiest? Sometimes it's easy to see that in other people's spaces and for somebody else. Would you today be willing to see that for you?
Up next, the plan, and I hope me going through my process helps you and inspires you too. Nothing says organized like a clean space. This is Zepp Foaming Wall Cleaner. This stuff is awesome. It is the only cleaner I have found that truly takes off scuff marks, crayons, stains, even oil from your walls so you don't have to repaint. This stuff is so affordable, you can get it for less than $10, and it's these little touches that make the space feel really high end. And you might surprise yourself. Maybe you think a room is not worth salvaging or saving, but when it comes down to it, the bones of the room are actually really good, especially once you start to declutter and clean. Now for the items that would actually work in this space. The first is this Better Homes and Gardens extra large natural boat bin. This is one of my favorites and it's near 5 stars. This is so sturdy, easy to move. I added it to my cart. I've used it in lots of projects. In her built-ins for the shoes, I decided to go with this Mainstays flexible plastic bin. Online, I could get it affordably in a 3-pack. These are great and have it delivered tomorrow. In-store had a small selection of rugs, so I found the Better Homes and Gardens Persian fringe rug, added this one to my cart. I couldn't believe it was less than $30. I told you I loved Walmart pillows. Both the rug and the pillows are 4.7 stars for a reason. And then I did some browsing. You can shop new and trending home just to see all the things that a lot of people are liking, the things that are going viral. And that is when I found this lamp. Y'all, it is so cute and so similar to some high-end West Elm versions. It is almost identical to this $159 lamp. I was so excited. I also picked up this really pretty gold leaf trinket tray. I thought it was gorgeous and it was less than $7. I've also found the Walmart reviews to be really accurate as Amazon, which is really helpful when selecting decor. So that way you know if it's actually going to be quality when you get it. And then I also picked up this hanging shoe organizer. Now this is not necessarily beautiful, but I'm going to show you how we're going to use it. I added this all up and I spent together $208.96. I'll be getting cash back on today's order with Rakuten, which will give me extra savings, putting this under $200. Ready for pickup and to show you how we put the room together. This makeover was fast. We did it in about 4 hours over the course of 2 days. And I really think sometimes we overestimate the amount of time something is actually going to take when we become willing to let go of the things that are no longer serving us. And we find intentional items that can actually work with us in a space. We do it affordably. There's something so fun about just knowing how much you saved putting together something. So all of the labels I actually pulled from my stash. I grabbed this paint marker and these all came from Dollar Tree. They still have them in stock. You can find them in the craft supply section and honestly, they work great. And here's Julie seeing it for the first time.
Oh my goodness. Kathryn, seriously, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. So I used to walk in the garage door and I would literally look at this room and just close the door. I'm like, I can't even, I just have to keep going. This is unbelievable.
So this is kind of a little sitting area where you can sit down, you can tie your shoes, you can grab what you have in here. What I tried to do was use what you already had. So this green corkboard, I kind of tied it into some green elements with some blues, a little bit beachy, but not too much. And you've got bags, Julie. You've got spots for all your bags, okay?
Oh my bags.
We pared down Julie's bags as much as we possibly could.
I did.
And we have all of her bags for her sporting events. We have recycling. We really maximize vertical storage here, and we have a bunch of baskets, which you guessed it, with room for more.
My bags.
But these are the bags that Julie really uses. This is her computer bag, her casserole bag. I love this basket. This is also from Walmart. They're super affordable.
Pretty.
And I just put all of like your boating gear in here so it's easy to get to.
Perfect.
And I really like it. And then these little labels are just from Dollar Tree. They come with little clips on the back. And we just put this here for all of your stuff. So you can see there's room for hats. We have sports stuff. And then of course, the pickleballs.
Very important in this house.
Pickleball.
Yeah. And I feel like with these, the kids can actually see the shoes that are in them versus some of the taller ones I've had in there in the past. The shoes get lost and everybody's like, where are they? And they're hiding beneath everything else. So this is perfect.
These are all
Wow.
of your sunglasses.
Wow.
And these organizers are from the Dollar Tree. They're one of my favorites, but they look really elegant. I kept that really clear.
That's amazing.
And down here, I'm obsessed with this. This paper organizer, it matched. This is also, everything in here is from Walmart.
Oh.
So now when the kids come to get school supplies, it's really easy to see what you have and nothing is getting shoved into the back because we made the bold choice to use what was on the back of the door for your school supplies. The kids have already been saying that they're enjoying it. Her daughter already came in while we were filming to get some stuff out of here, but this is just going to keep it from getting messy.
So, then we end up knowing exactly what we have. Great. I love it.
I do too. And what's really nice, some of this stuff, like it's not the most visually appealing. So the fact that you can close this and not have to think about it, it's really nice. And you're going to want to keep this open because it looks so pretty.
It looks so pretty. It's like a room I want to hang out in. It's crazy.
And up at the very top in these Dollar Tree bins, this is stuff that she doesn't get done all the time. But Julie, I've got you. When you do, thanks to Walmart, you have
This is awesome. I can actually reach the things in here.
We shopped affordably, we kept it simple, and I feel like in spaces like this, less is almost always more. And I want to encourage you today that the same gift for your house is never out of reach. I love you guys so much, and I'm so glad that you choose to show up every week to watch Do It on a Dime.
Be sure to download Rakuten, get that $30 welcome bonus, and make sure you have it for when you're doing any online shopping, so you're getting paid for shopping you were doing anyway. For me, it's a no-brainer. I would love to hear how it's working for you in the comments below. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, you're worth it, and you are enough. I'll see you soon.